You can search online by yourself. You can go on tours by yourself if you want to. But why would you not want a professional, an expert in that market to walk side by side with you as you search for space? They have all the databases that I talked about earlier. All right, we're back. Commercial real estate leasing for beginners, episode 2. In this episode, we're going to speak on starting your search. All right, so you've done all the due diligence. You've assessed your budget. You've known what your space requirements are. You have identified certain amenities that are needed, and now you're going to start your search, okay? And so in this video, we're going to discuss the practices and the tips on how to make that process easy. How do you search for commercial real estate? With a bonus tip at the end, which I think is the most important. So make sure to stick around for the last tip that will really magnify the importance and help you the best when it comes to finding commercial real estate. If you missed episode 1, make sure to go back and check it out. But here we go, episode 2. Leasing commercial real estate for beginners, starting your search. Hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, and let's dive in. So now it's time to start your search. And here are some tips on how to conduct an effective search. First, start by searching online for available spaces that fit your criteria. There are many listings websites where you can search for commercial real estate, whether that be to lease or to buy, but not all of them are created equal. It's important to use reputable websites that are known for their accuracy and reliability. Some popular ones include LoopNet, CoStar, and Crexi. LoopNet is the Zillow of commercial real estate. It's a website where you can buy, sell, and find information about commercial real estate. It has a lot of information and is easy to use, which is good for people who work in the industry. However, it is pay to play. And some people don't like that they have to pay to see all of the details about a property. It can be expensive to advertise on the site, and also the information might not always be completely correct on LoopNet. Next is CoStar. CoStar is one of the most used websites when it comes to searching for commercial real estate, especially for brokers. It's a website that provides helpful information about commercial real estate to people who want to invest or work in the industry. You can find lots of useful data and reports about properties and markets on the site, but it can be very expensive to use, and we're talking thousands of dollars a month to use, which might not be good for people with smaller budgets. Some people also find the site difficult to use because it has a lot of features to learn, and the interface isn't so user-friendly. Last is Crexi. Crexi is a website that lets people search for commercial real estate in a simple and easy way. You can find lots of information about properties and tools to help you buy or sell them. However, some people think it's better for medium-sized deals and not if you're looking for bigger locations. Also, there are costs to get full access to the premium membership and to see everything on the site. So look, when it comes to starting your search, the best place to do it is online. Hop on your browser, go to Google, and let your search begin. The next steps after you've done the search is to visit the property in person. This is a crucial step. It allows you to gain a better understanding of the property's layout, condition, and potential issues that may not be apparent through online or virtual tours. You can also assess whether the space meets your specific needs and requirements, such as the size, location, and amenities. During the visit, pay attention to the condition of the property, including any signs of wear and tear, cleanliness, and overall appearance. Take note of any repairs or improvements that may be necessary and inquire about any ongoing maintenance or renovation work. Additionally, while visiting the property, meeting with the landlord or the listing agent during the visit is also an opportunity to ask questions and discuss any concerns you may have. This can include questions about the lease term, rental rates, security deposit, and any other details related to the leasing process. You want to make sure to ask about all the hidden costs so you understand how much you will be paying for this space. Overall, visiting the property in person is a critical step in the process of leasing commercial real estate, and it allows you to make an informed decision that aligns with your business needs and goals. The next step is to be flexible. While it's important to have a clear idea of what you're looking for, it's also important to remain flexible. Being flexible during your commercial real estate search can greatly increase your chances of finding the perfect space. Instead of being too rigid in your requirements, be open to spaces that may not check all your boxes but have potential to be modified to meet your needs. When considering a space that does not meet all your needs, think creatively about how it can be adapted. For example, if the space lacks sufficient parking, consider if there are nearby parking options that can be leased. If the layout of the space is not ideal, think about whether partitions or other modifications can be made to create a better flow. By being willing to make modifications, you may be able to find a space that is a great fit for your business at a lower cost than a space that already meets all your requirements at a higher cost. And the last tip, the bonus tip, the one that I think is the most important when it comes to searching for commercial real estate is this: hire a tenant rep broker. Yes, you can contact a tenant representative like myself who can help you find the right space based on your specific needs. Working with a tenant rep can be a great option for those who are new to commercial real estate or who don't have time or resources to conduct their own search, which most business owners don't because they're busy running their business. A broker can help you identify suitable properties that meet your specific needs. They can also provide valuable insights into the local market, including rental rates, vacancy rates, and other important data that can inform your decision making. You can search online by yourself. You can go on tours by yourself if you want to. But why would you not want a professional, an expert in that market to walk side by side with you as you search for space? They have all the databases that I talked about earlier. They have all of that information that you don't have to spend on for memberships because we have that information. And all you have to do is provide us with your criteria and then we do the rest. It's a no-brainer. If you want to search for commercial real estate, hire a broker. It will be huge for your business. And most definitely, it will save you time and money. So there you have it. By using these tips, you can conduct an effective search and find the right space for your needs. Remember, start online. Everything starts on Google. Go on Google. It'll help you tremendously. Second, make sure to visit and tour the properties that you found on Google or LoopNet or CoStar or Crexi, and make sure to ask all the questions that you can think of to help you really get the ins and outs of the building, the budget, and everything to make sure it fits your needs. And also be flexible. You need to be flexible when you're looking for commercial real estate. No space is perfect. All of them have their flaws, but make sure you find the one that you can work with and that can be a benefit for your business. And lastly, the most important tip, right? Hire a tenant rep broker that can do all of this for you, that can save you time, save you money, and get your business up and running in the next commercial real estate space that fits your eye and fits your needs. Well, everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to the second episode of Leasing Commercial Real Estate for Beginners. I'm your host, Mason. I'm a tenant rep broker for Cressa Commercial Real Estate. And I'd love to help you out if you're a business owner or an investor looking for commercial space. All my information is in the description below. Schedule a call with me. It's free. I'd love to consult you on what your plans are, whether that be a renewal or an expansion into a new, bigger location. I'm in the Southern California market. If you're outside of Southern California and looking for commercial real estate, Cressa is a global company, so I can reach out to multiple brokers in different states, also in Europe, and we can help you find your space. You want a tenant rep. It's so important when it comes to leasing commercial real estate. Trust me, it'll make your life so much easier and it'll make the process smooth as butter. So hit me up. and let's do business together. Thanks so much for watching. Again, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next episode of Leasing Commercial Real Estate for Beginners. Bye for now.